Namaste to you all. Today I am going to make video of trigonometry formula, basic formula of trigonometry. This is my second video of trigonometric formula. Now first part trigonometric formula I have already completed. See my previous video, and this is the second part of trigonometric formula, basic formula I am going to derive, which I have written here. Now this formula, last time in my previous video I derived formula of reciprocal formula of trigonometric, and I proved that also. Now this next video I am going to make video of this one, how these three formula which I have written here, I am going to verify these three, and from here I will derive its relation between them. And this is also another important formula for trigonometry, basic formula. Now I'll begin from the first. Now these three formula today I'll verify, and two more, that is basic things. Now first one, sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1, cos sec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. These three are the very basic formula of trigonometry. Now I'll prove this one step by step. Okay, I'll rub these two. I'll begin from there. Okay, let's see. Now this formula, by the help of Pythagoras relation, by the Pythagoras relation we can verify this. Now to prove this one, sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Now how to prove this relation? Now first I'll take left hand side. Now we'll derive from left hand side. Left hand side equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Now write the ratio, trigonometric ratio of sec theta, tan theta. Now in my previous video already I have written trigonometric ratio, this sec theta, okay, cos theta equals to b by h, and its reciprocal, that is sec theta equals to just opposite h by b. And there is another one is tan theta equals to p by b, and its reciprocal relation, that is cot theta ratio of cot theta will be is b by p. Now this ratio, trigonometric ratio, cos theta base by hypotenuse, its reciprocal is sec theta, that is h by b, just reciprocal, just opposite. Tan theta p by b, cot theta b by p, just opposite. Now I write their trigonometric ratio here. Sec theta means h by b. Now whole square, hypotenuse by base, and tan theta, ratio of tan theta is perpendicular by base. P by b means perpendicular base, there is whole square. Now we need to simplify it. Now I'll rub that. Okay, this this square is for both numerator and denominator. Then this h square, b will be b square, minus p will be p square, b will be b square. Now take LCM of these two, b square, here also b square, LCM will be b square. Okay, this b square. Now LCM b square, divide this b square. Now I am explaining the rule how to simplify. Remember this LCM, we took the LCM of these two, that is b square. Divide this b square by this denominator b square. This divide this LCM by 1 times. By that 1, which is called quotient, by that 1 multiply this h square. Then it will be 1 times h square. This one is quotient. Divide this LCM by this denominator. B square, divide this b square 1 times. By that 1 is here. Multiply the numerator. It means multiply the numerator by the quotient. Okay, again there is minus sign, right here minus. B square, again divide this LCM. Divide this LCM by this denominator. There is b square. This b square, divide this LCM b square 1 times. By that 1 multiply the numerator. 1 times p square. Okay, I'll rub that side. Now this is the rule. Now equal to h square minus p square by b square. Now after this will be h square minus p square by b square. Now since use your Pythagoras relation, h square equals to p square plus b square. P square plus b square, that is Pythagoras relation. But here is h square minus p square. Bring this p square this side, it will be negative. Therefore h square minus p square. This p square we can bring this side, left hand side, then it will be this. It means b square. What I did, this p square I brought this in left hand side, b square I kept in same side, h square and b square they are in same side, only p square I brought in left hand side. Now h square minus p square equals to b square. It means this from the Pythagoras relation we can derive this. Now h square minus p square equals to b square. Okay, I'll write here b square by b square. Now this b square they will cancel and 1. Now what we did, sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. We proved this. In this way we have to prove by the help of PBH relation, means perpendicular, hypotenuse and base. By the help of this we proved, and now equals to right hand side. In this way we write right hand side proved. Now what we did, sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. This is true. In this way you have to prove. Now practice it yourself 2 times 3 times, then be perfect. Now after this is the main formula. From here I'll derive sec square theta, tan square theta. I'll simplify it. Okay, I'll drop this one. From this main formula, you should have capacity to find tan square theta, sec square theta, tan theta, sec theta separately. Okay. Now already we proved this one. Okay, I'll write since sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Already we proved. Now then after this sec square theta equals to, bring this tan square theta that side. When this tan square theta goes to that side, when we change its sign, then it will be positive, plus tan square theta. Now sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta, or we have to remove this tan square theta from this left hand side. There is another way also to remove this tan square theta from here. We can add tan square theta both sides, plus tan square theta this side also, plus tan square theta this side also. In this way also we can do, but we do not show here plus tan square theta, only we write this side, we show only this right hand side. Now sec square theta equals to this. This is also formula. Now from this we derive this one. You should know this one also. Now how to remove this square? Then again taking root sign. To remove this square, we can take root sign both sides. Now see, in my previous video, laws of indices, I have explained all the rules how to remove a square taking different radical sign. Okay. Now here is a square, that's why I am taking here a square root sign. Sec square theta, this side also we can take root sign, both sides we can take root sign. Now this square cancel this root radical sign. This square cancel this radical sign, then it will be sec theta. It will be sec theta. Okay, I'll directly you can write like this also, or if you want to use laws of indices to simplify it, then you can go like this. In this way also you can write this side. This there is no whole square, that's why radical sign cannot be cancelled this side. Okay, I'll show this side by another way. Now this can be written like this. Sec square theta, here is 2, which is not written. You have to understand there is 2. If nothing is there, then there is always 2. You have to understand. Okay, this 2, how to remove that radical sign? Now in this way, if there is 2, write 1 by 2. If there is 3, 1 by 3. If there is 4, 1 by 4. If there is 5, 1 by 5. In this way we can remove this radical sign. Okay, I remove this. There is a square, sec square theta 1 by 2, and here also 1 plus tan square theta. Here also we can write like this. This here is 2. Here also we can write 1 by 2. Now this sec square theta inside bracket C, sec square theta, this is a term. This is a term, that's why we can multiply this external power 1 by 2 and internal power. We can multiply these two power. We can multiply these two power. But here, this one is not one, this total is not a term, because this one is not factor, tan square theta is not factor. There are two terms. This total is not a term. One term, second term. Two terms are there. Plus minus sign at the middle. In this way you have to identify. That's why by this power, external power 1 by 2, we cannot multiply the power of 1, we cannot multiply the power of 10. That's why it remains same like this. We cannot multiply this 2 tan square, this power by this 1 by 2. We cannot multiply the power of 1 by this 1 by 2. It remains same. But here is we can multiply. Okay, I'll write this side. Or sec square times 1 by 2 theta. Now this power should be written just in between this. Do not write this side of theta. Okay, and this side we cannot multiply this 1 by this 1 by 2. We cannot multiply their power. That's why again I write in this form. Then it will be root under 1 plus tan square theta. It will be same. We cannot multiply, but here is, now this 2 and 2 cancel, and this will be sec theta equals to root under 1 plus tan square theta. Now we can write here plus minus sign, because sec theta minus sec theta whole square also positive, sec theta plus sec theta whole square also plus sec theta. That's why right now I didn't write here plus minus sign, but here will be plus minus, both positive as well as negative sign. But this is basic things. That's why later I'll explain. The only positive value I have taken. Now if you want to write here, actually it should be here plus minus, here also plus minus, but I write only positive. If you need, you can write minus also. Okay, this we derive sec square theta. Now from here, what? Now this is the main formula here, this one and this. Now how to read? From here you must have capacity to derive these two. Do not say this and this, they are different formula. Actually from here we found this, these two are the same, only its structure are different, but same formula. If there is a square, 1 plus tan square theta. If there is no square, then there will be root sign. Only that is the difference. Now tan square theta, when it comes that side, when we bring this side, we have to change the sign. You know the equation rule, sign rule of how to solve equation. Now plus, it will be minus. Okay, this similarly. Okay, I'll go to next. Tan square theta, just like this we can explain tan square theta also. Okay, now I'll love this one. Same process you can apply. Same process you can apply. Okay, again, since this equals to 1, it is true, already we have proved. Now tan square theta, I'll make it positive, or sec square theta, I'll bring this one this side, it will be minus 1, and I'll take this tan square theta that side, it will be plus tan square theta. Okay, sec square theta minus 1 equals to tan square theta. That is, or we can write tan square theta equals to sec square theta minus 1. This one is another formula in terms of sec tan square theta. We can express in terms of sec like this, sec square theta minus 1. Now from here, again from the same, previously we found sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Right now tan square theta, bring this tan square theta this side, 1 this side. Then when this tan square theta goes that side, it will be positive like this, positive. And when this one comes this side or brings this side, is brought this side, then it will be minus 1. Okay, tan square theta equals to sec square theta minus 1. In this way, you have to prove. Now if you want to remove this square, if you want to remove this square from here, from left hand side, then it will be again taking root sign both side, taking root sign both side, then it will be root under tan square theta, root under sec square theta minus 1. Now I'll do by the same method, previous method also you can use, or directly you can cancel like this. How to cancel? Just now also I did. Now I'll do directly. You understood? Now tan theta equals to sec square theta minus 1. You can write here plus minus also, no problem. Positive value also, negative both. Now, or basically you can write, generally we take positive sign, but both will be true. Now tan theta equals to this. Okay, I'll write only positive, this one. Okay. Now similarly I did one sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. I proved 1. Just by the same method you can prove the remaining 2. Okay, I'll go to next formula. I'll prove next one. Same, cos sec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Again this is also same as previous one. In place of sec there is cosec, in place of tan there is cot. Now same method again, left hand side cos sec square theta minus cot square theta. Okay, cos sec square theta, ratio of cos sec square cos theta. What is the ratio of cos sec theta? Ratio of cos sec theta is h by p. There is whole square, that's why I write whole square like this. And ratio of cot, trigonometric ratio of cot theta is b by p. And there is a square, whole square, right here whole square like this. Trigonometric ratio I am writing. Now remove the bracket, it will be h square a square minus b square p square. Now take again LCM p square, this p square divide this p square 1 times, by that 1 it will be h square 1 times h square minus p square divide this LCM p square 1 times, by that 1 multiply this b square 1 times b square equals to b square. Okay, h square minus b square. Now we know that since Pythagoras relation h square minus b square equals to p square, h square minus b square equals to p square. We have this relation. Now in place of this write p square, then it will be p square by p square, they cancel, equals to 1. Now p square and p square, this equals to p square, write the value of this p square by p square equals to 1. Now from here what? Now I'll drop this one. In this way you can prove just like a previous formula. Now we prove this equals to 1 equals to RHS. Now in this way you have to prove. I'll drop this one. Now after this again, how to find from here? Same again, since we have already proved this one, this is true. Now since cosec square theta equals to, now cot square theta, take that side, it will be 1, same side, when it goes that side it will be positive, plus cot square theta. Now cosec square theta equals to this. Now again, do not think these two are different formula, this is same. Now again taking root sign both side, what happened? Left hand side will be root under cos square theta, and right hand side also root under. Here we can write plus minus sign, 1 plus cot square theta. Now this square cancel this, therefore cosec theta equals to root under 1 plus cot square theta. Now what I did, from this main formula we derived cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta, cosec theta equals to root under 1 plus cot square theta. Now this, in this way you have to prove. Now this is the main formula, do not think these two are two different formula. from here within a second you should have capacity to find out this and this. Very easy. When this goes that side, it will be positive. That's why cos sec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. When you take root side both sides, this radical sign cancel this, but that side there is no whole square. That's why this radical sign will not be cancelled. That's why it remains same. That is the reason. Now these two form again. From here also, from this formula also, what is cot square theta? Now bring this one this side. It will be cos square minus 1. Okay. Now next, again, if you know this one, I love this. Now again, since this is true, this formula, this relation, now this cot square, you can go like this, cos square theta, this 1, bring this side, minus 1, this is positive. When it comes this side, left hand side, it will be negative, and change their side. Bring this one this side, cot square that side. When it goes that side, it will be positive. Now cot square theta. Therefore, cot square theta equals to cos sec square theta minus 1. This is also formula. Now how to remove? Taking root sign. How to remove this square? Taking root sign both sides. Then it will be cot square theta cos sec square theta minus 1. Now here we can write plus minus sign also, but I have written only positive. Now this square cancel this. How it will be cancelled? See at once, laws of indices. I have explained very nicely there. Now you have to understand. Okay, therefore cot theta equals to, now this, there is no whole square. That's why this radical sign cannot be removed. It will remain same. Okay, that's why it will be cos sec square theta minus 1. Now from here, what we derived? Cos sec square, this is the main formula. From here, cos sec square minus 1 is to cot square equals to this, cos sec square minus 1. If we remove a square power, then if there is no power, then it will be root sign. Remember this. In this way, do not think these three are different from formula. No, they are same formula, only their structure form are different. From here we derive this also, this also. Okay. Now last one, I'll rub this. Last one I'll prove, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Formula number 3. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Okay, left hand side I'll take sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now write the trigonometric ratio of sin and cos. Trigonometric ratio of sin is p by h whole square, and this one is b by h whole square. P by h whole square, b by h whole square. Okay. Now remove the bracket. It will be p square h square, and this one is b square h square. Take LCM. LCM will be h square and p square plus b square. Okay, I'll go this side. Now p square plus b square. Since p square plus b square equals to h square. This one is Pythagoras relation. P square plus b square equals to h square. Now p square plus b square. In place of p square plus b square, we can write h square and h square. Now they will cancel, and 1 equals to RHS. Now in this way, we have to prove sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. This is the way to prove. Now again, I'll find sin square theta equals to cos square theta equals to sin theta equals to what? Cos theta equals to what? Now I'll find. Okay, now I'll draw this one. And this relation, to prove this formula, we are using Pythagoras relation. That's why these three formula we have given the name Pythagoras relation. This formula we can say Pythagoras, because by using Pythagoras theorem relation we are proving this. That's why Pythagoras form. These three formula we can say Pythagoras formula related with Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now after this, now since sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, already we proved. Therefore sin square theta equals to, take this cos square theta that side, it will be negative. 1 is same side, plus when we take this side, it will be minus cos square theta. Now sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Now remove the radical power from this sin square, taking again same method, taking root sign both side, taking root sign both side, then it will be sin square theta plus minus 1 minus cos square theta. Here will be plus minus sign both, but I do not write right now. I write only positive, but there will be minus also, plus minus both. Now this a square cancel this radical sign, therefore it will be sin theta equals to root under 1 minus cos square theta. Because there is no whole square, that's why this radical sign cannot be cancelled. That's why it remains same. Now see, sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta. If you want to remove a square, then there will be a radical sign. This. See the difference? These are the main formula. Do not think they are different formula. Only one main formula is this. From here, you should have capacity to derive these two, to find these two form. Okay. Now just like this, I will find cos square theta. Again, I love this one. Again, I'll take this sin square theta that side. I'll make cos square theta along left hand side. 1 when it goes that side, when it is carried that side, it will be minus sin square theta. Now cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Very simple. Taking root sign both side, it will be root under cos square theta, root under 1 minus sin square theta. Here also we can write plus minus, but that plus minus I write only plus minus. It is later you can write. If you need, there is minus sign also. Okay, this and this cancel. Therefore cos theta equals to root under 1 minus sin square theta. Now same process repeatedly we are using to verify this formula, same pattern. Now I did all. Now I write after this two more formula I derive. It's very simple. Okay, in this way you have to derive, and after this memorize this. These are the basic formula of trigonometry, basic formula. Now next formula is prove that 1 2 3 4. Prove that tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. This formula in terms of sin and cos. We are expressing tan theta in terms of sin and cos. Now this left hand side or right hand side? Okay, left hand side, tan theta. Left hand side tan theta. Tan theta, what is the ratio of tan theta? P by B. Ratio of tan theta is P by B. Now there is dividing numerator and denominator by h. Dividing numerator and denominator, we can divide. Dividing numerator and denominator by by h. We can divide numerator also, denominator by h. Then it will be p divided by h, b divided by h. We can divide numerator also, denominator also by the same number, same quantity. Now what I did, we divided numerator also, denominator by h. Then this p by h means sin theta, and b by h, this means cos theta. Or therefore I write this side. Therefore tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. Now this relation. Or you can go from right hand side to this. If you want to go from right hand side to left hand side, then write this step first. Then write the trigonometric ratio of this here, this one, and third this one. Okay, I'll do from RHS also. Now this is from left hand side. If you want to do from RHS also, from RHS also you can do. How to do from RHS? Now RHS, sin theta, cos theta. Sin theta means p by h, cos theta means b by h. Now there is one formula, you have to understand this. A by b divided by c by d. It can be written like this: a by b, c by d. A by b divided by c by d. In this way you can write, and this one, it will be a by b times d by c. It will be like this. Remember, this to this, or this to this, and this in this form. Same here also. A by b, c by d. A by b, p by h times h by b. This h cancel. There is p by p, which is equals to tan theta. Okay, equals to left hand side. Now in this way also, from right hand side you can solve. From left hand side also, from right hand side also. Now tan theta. Now next one. After this, remember this is also very important. Now next one is cot theta, just opposite. Cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta. Now left hand side. Okay, I'll do from RHS. Cos theta, sin theta. Cos theta means d by h. Sin theta means p by h. B by h, p by h. Now again same formula. A by b, c by d. B by h times h by p. This h cancel. B by p. B by p means cos theta equals to left hand side. Now in this way you can prove. Now already we proved the main formula of basic formula of trigonometric. Now I'll write this all formula in same. I'll write at last. Okay, I'll drop this one. Now up to now what we did. Number one, I'll write all the formula here. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. You can write like this: sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta, and sec theta equals to root under 1 plus tan square theta, and tan square theta. Tan square theta equals to, bring this one this side. Sec square theta, bring this one this side. Sec square theta minus 1, and tan theta equals to root under sec square theta minus 1. Now from this main formula you should know these 4 different forms. Actually they are same formula. From the same formula we derive this also, this also. Sec square equals to this, sec theta equals to this. Tan square, tan theta. Now you should know these 4 different forms. These all we derived from here. Okay. Number two, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Again from here, cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta, and cosec theta equals to root under 1 plus cot theta. Now, and next one, cot square theta equals to cosec square theta, cot square theta. Bring this one this side. Cosec square theta minus 1. Therefore, cot theta root under cosec square theta minus 1. Now, this 4 form, this from here you should have capacity to derive this, to find this. These are the formula. These all are formula. Now from here, if you practice, then you can derive very easy. Already I have given this. How to remember this? Bring this cot square that side, 1 plus cot square. Bring this one this side. Cosec square minus 1 equals to cot square. This cosec square minus 1 is cot square. Okay. Now last one, number 3, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. From here, sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. This cos square, take that side, it will be 1 minus cos square theta, and sin theta equals to root under 1 minus cos square theta. Already we derived this all formula. A square, no root sign, 1 minus cos square. When we remove a square, then there will be root sign. Next one, cos square theta. Take the sin square that side, it will be 1 minus sin square theta, and take root sign both sides, it will be cos theta equals to root under 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. Now, I derived this all. Do not say 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 5, 10, 15. Do not say 15 formula. Actually, there are 3 formula. From these 3 main formula, these are the main formula. From this main formula, you should practice to find this all remaining 4, 4, 4, 4 from each. Now these are the basic formula, and 2 more, that sin theta, tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta equals to cot theta. Okay, yeah, I'll write. Number 4, what do we have written? Tan theta. There is no space. Okay, I'll write this one. This formula. Then number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4 and 5. That is also very important. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tan theta, sin theta by cos theta. Number 5, cot theta. Cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta. Just opposite. Now, number 5. And reciprocal formula. In my previous video, I have derived. That is, okay, I'll write here also. Sin theta times cosec theta equals to 1. I love this. This formula already I have derived in my previous video. These all formula you have to write in a copy and you have to study. Number 7, cos theta times sec theta equals to 1, and tan theta times cot theta equals to 1. These 3 formula I derived in my previous video. From here, from this you have to understand sin theta equals to 1 by cosec, and cosec 1 by sin theta. Okay, this from here also, cos theta equals to 1 by sec theta, and sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta. From here tan theta equals to 1 by cot and cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. These are the basic formula of trigonometry. Without this formula, very difficult to understand the exercise chapter. Now today for trigonometry, this is second part of trigonometry, derivation of formula. You must know this one if you want to make the exercise easy, if you want to understand the problem easy. Now first writing you have to understand formula, practice it so many times, watch it and write in your copy. Again do yourself 2 times 3 times, and when you memorize, when you understand, then after exercise will be very easy. Now next time I'll keep next video. Now do not forget to subscribe, and maximum you have to utilize, watch it, you need to understand, you have to be perfect. That is my objective. Okay, thank you.